Hi, welcome back to another video by Daniel and John. Today we're looking at our Miele. We've got T1 Selection, and we're going to show you how to resolve a clean out airways error. And basically it's a sort of block filter, and the sensor can get coated with dust and things. So let's have a look. Obviously turn your machine off. There's a couple of filters here. We'll go through them. One here which controls the air coming in, so that can be vacuumed and washed, and that sits at the bottom there. Then there's a couple of filters here. There's one at the top there, and the easiest way with that is just to scrape it off with a brush or a damp cloth, which would be fine. And then the one that people tend to miss is this one here. And you turn that there like that and just slide it out, and you can see that gets quite mucky. But the important thing is, if you're cleaning this and you've got that airways error, you see just there's a sensor. You can just see it there. A small soft paintbrush or just a damp cloth, and make sure you get in here and give it a real good clean, because that's basically the problem. So that's the easiest way of cleaning these, is just with a damp cloth or a hoover. So that pops back in there, and just lock that off again. And again with this one, almost comes off like a carpet. That just slots back in there, and that will resolve your clean airways error, and get your tumble dryer up and working again. Anyway, if this helped your tumble dryer to flow more freely, if you'd like to subscribe and give us a thumbs up, we'd really appreciate it. Thank you.